Alright, welcome back to Bernie's Garage. As you see behind us, we have our 39 to 47 Dodge pickup. And just laid one of the doors on. And as you see from previous video, Paul put the doors on and set the gaps out before he do any more floor. So let's have a look. So you see here we got a pretty good gap up here. This obviously got to come up a little bit, but round top of the roof is good. It's good, it's good, it's good. As you start coming down here, like that's like, that's how it actually, you can see right into the cab there. So, yeah, so the door posts seem to work out pretty good back there that we've done. There's no issue with that. But that whole front piece has to go in that way. Quite a bit actually. So anyway, I think we got a whole lot of issue with that. It's no big deal. But the thing is that I just had to stick it out and look at it. But we're going to fix the doors, the bottoms of the doors, and get them all straightened up. So anyway, stay tuned. Okay, so yeah, the bottoms of the doors. Yeah. So obviously the whole bottom is let go from the skin. I cut some of this off earlier. But anyway, it's kind of hard to see, but measuring tape right there. Right there, that's like 1 5/8. And by the center, it comes up to like 2 1/8. And I'm sure it goes back here to around 1 5/8 again. Same as the rocker panel did. So the whole shape of the door is pretty well the shape of this rocker panel here that we got. So obviously it gets thick in the center and goes. So anyway, I'm probably going to end up, you know, I'll get a piece there in the shape. I'll probably end up cutting it to here. It's going to just do around the edge here, but I'll need this much out here a little bit. So anyway, we're going to get some metal right here, and we're going to get the shape enough to come up here and in here, and we'll probably cut that piece out. Probably weld the lip piece on after it, because it's in a bow in the middle of it. So that's how we do. Let's get started. So first we're going to take a measurement off this right there, so we can pretty well do, take it from right there, pretty well do say 7/8 of an inch. So we'll come down here on this and we just measure down from the corner 7/8 of an inch, put a line right across it. Okay, so we have 7/8 of an inch here. So we'll cut it down the line, remove this bottom piece. That'll give us the overlap to come down over here. So yeah, we got the overhang piece cut off. Eventually it's going to go down over that like so. So now we just need to get this curvature into it. So I'm planning on doing right now, I'm probably going to take a measurement, take the center of the door, probably going to be around here somewhere, and mark it wherever it is and the length of it, and then I'll get the arc onto it. I might just trace it off the rocker panel yet. Okay, so this is how we ended up with it. We took the center, took 2 inches, took 1 5/8 from that in. I'm on this line. The line's not there for nothing. So we got, you see, we got the bow shape into it. Basically, all we done was went the other way. Yeah, it was the other way. Just took this laid in against the rocker, which is pretty well the same shape as the door, and just traced it off. So, just traced it off. So, it looks pretty good. So we'll cut this, and that should give us the piece to put in the bottom of the door. Then all that's left is to create a lip, which will be coming up this way. So anyway, I just laid the piece on top of the door there. Let's see that way. So you see the piece I got cut off here, but you pull it back here. You see it pretty well takes the shape of the door. So what we're going to now, we're going to, obviously this is going to move down to here when we cut it. We got to stand the piece up here. So like at 90 degrees, so it's probably going to be one of the strips I just cut off of it. So I'll just probably just weld it onto it, and just leave up the height I got to do and trim the back of it off after. Okay, so piece cut right here. So just going to slide it right there. One hand is terrible, but all it is, we just pull it up, put it in there, weld it in. We got a lip for this, and that's it. So we just stitch it along here now, tack. Anyway, we have a little more done with the door. So you see we butt welded and tacked this on right here, and if you look at this, the skin is not attached just yet. We'll put a piece in there, bend it down around there after. So I had a piece of metal there, but I'm probably going to clean up, fix up this bit here. So that's how the door's done, and maybe do something with this end over here, and fix it up some more. So yeah, the only problem is with the doors that I have two to do. So, but you know, like I said, it's knocking doors everywhere for an old truck like this. So we do what we can with what's here.